Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI. And if you want the professionalism of a pen without the permanence, you gotta check out these pens from Pilot. Say that 10 times fast. The top thing that I look for in a pen is how smoothly they write, and these pens from Pilot definitely pass the test. I needed an erasable pen because I like to write letters to my friends, but I'm always making mistakes and I hate having to scrap the whole page just because of one mistake. Another thing about pens is sometimes they smudge, but these definitely don't. They dry so quickly and they're really easily erasable. So you don't have to worry about those mistakes messing up your whole page. They're also great for calendar dates because I hate when plans change and I have all these crossed out things in my calendar. So these pens from Pilot keep it nice and neat. The grip on the pen is really comfortable and it comes with an eraser that's going to last a long time. And even once your ink runs out, you don't have to worry because these come with lots of refills. So you're going to be able to get a lot of use out of this pack. And it's as good as new. So if you add these pens from Pilot to your stationery, you'll no longer have to sweat those small mistakes. And that's my point of view.